Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic in grammar. So this question will be for 5 marks in your board exam. So let us discuss. What is meant by the report writing. So here a report discusses a topic structured and easy to follow format. Reports are written to present the facts about a situation, projects or process and will define the issue at hand. Now see here, so the reports are written to present facts about a situation, project or process and will define the issue at hand. Now see here, so then how many types of the reports? How many types of the reports? There are two types of reports. Number one, newspaper report and number two, school magazine report. How many types of reports? There are two types of reports, newspaper report and school magazine report. Now see here, so what will be the newspaper report? For example, accident, you are witnessed a fire broke out in your locality. So that will be the heading for newspaper report. For example, so 9 in same way, school magazine report, Republic Day, celebration of your school annual day. So this is the example of school magazine report. So exactly how to be write that school magazine report and exactly how to be write that newspaper report. So just there is just little bit difference between the newspaper report and school magazine report. Now see here, so format, what is the format for newspaper report? What is the format for school magazine report? Just we will discuss. Now see here, format for newspaper report, title. In short we are discussing, means that is the format of for a newspaper report. So there will be title by a staff reporter, then the place, date and first paragraph there will be introduction. Second paragraph there will be body and third paragraph there will be conclusion. So this is the format to write a newspaper report. So title by a staff reporter, place, date, paragraph number 1 introduction, paragraph number 2 body, paragraph number 3 conclusion. So this is the format for newspaper report. And in same way, format for school magazine report. Title, then by a student correspondent, then school's name, place, date, and first paragraph introduction, second paragraph body and third paragraph conclusion. So this will be the format for school magazine report. See once again, title by a student correspondent, school's name, place, date, and then first paragraph will be introduction, second paragraph will be body and third paragraph will be conclusion. So this is the format for school magazine report. So now see here about the format for newspaper report. So just keep in mind that format for newspapers report and format for school magazine reports. So now we will give the exactly example that of the newspaper report and format for school magazine report. Now see here, both the school magazine newspaper report. This is the main section, body of the report. Information in a report is usually arranged in order to importance, with the most important information coming first. Number 3, a report must be organized logically. For example, to report an accident you have witnessed, it will be begin with collision involving vehicles and its consequence. At the end, we should mention about the injured being admitted to a nearby hospital, and for a logical sequence we can follow this style. First paragraph, what, when, where and how. Means both the school magazine and the news report. So the points to be keep in mind, that is means the first paragraph, what, when, where and how. Just response to these questions will help you the frame an ideal first paragraph for both types of reports, newspaper as well as school magazine. For both the reports writing, just keep in mind what, when, where and how. So WS type questions, then will help this, these questions will help you frame an ideal first paragraph for both types of reports, newspaper as well as school magazine. For example, what? Suppose if you take what? So daylight nearby, 3 masked men entered the where? Oriental Bank, Kandivali branch at 10 a.m. on Tuesday, when the manager refused to cooperate. How a bullet was fired at his chest from a N38 revolver, and he was seriously injured. The 3 masked men escaped in a waiting red Maruti van with a loot of Rs 10 lakhs. So this is the first paragraph, what, when, where and how. Second paragraph, what? Second paragraph, what? Response to these questions will help you to frame the second paragraph. Ideally, the second paragraph should be written in such a way that the readers should be able to relive the entire scenario. Okay, now we will give the example of the format for newspaper report. Okay, and let us stop here.